Grade it.
Okay.
All right, so as I said, on the TubeOfU, you have access already for pages 319 and 320 to problems 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 14, 1, and 2. Those of you that have turned it in, you'll get them back. I'm going to do problem 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I'll do 3 and 8 in this class.
And
Okay, you gotta put the paper away.
11 and 12 on the next one.
I'll do 3 and 8 in this class. I will post it on the TubeOfU. If you'd like to get on the TubeOfU so that you can get these done and done correctly later, then it might be in your best interest, because as we end the grading period with this assignment and the test I'm giving tomorrow, we want to make sure that we get good grades. So problem 3 is written 40 divided by 18 minus 9 in parentheses minus parentheses 13 minus 12 parentheses and close brackets. That looks right. Now, what I've got to put that away. What I've seen on many of the papers, I looked at. Some of you just did them from left to right, which made no sense. You got an answer that was cattywampus. Made no sense, just like persons who don't work, they make no sense. Boom! Because if you don't work, you don't get paid, so you make no sense. CENTS or SENSE? That's what I'm talking about. All right, so the directions say simplify. Now I had several people ask me, even though I explained it, and it was explained on 3 TubeOfU videos prior to many of you working on it. Simplify means take it down to its most simple form. In these problems, you will take it all the way down to an answer, a number. It's going to be a number like 48 or something like that. It's not going to be something like 2 plus 3 divided by 9. That's not in the simplest terms. You're going to take it all the way down to a number. So we start, where do we start on this particular problem, Katie? You don't have to yell. All you have to do is tell me that we start in the brackets. So where do we start, Katie? Good, we're going to start in the brackets, because that is our grouping symbol, our bigger grouping symbol. And inside the brackets, we have smaller grouping symbols. So Katie told me we start with 18, subtract 9, or find the difference of 18 and 9, which is what, Katie? 9. Excellent. Then, Katie, we do our next grouping symbol, which is 13, subtract 12, or find the difference of 13 and 12, which is what, Katie? 1. Now, these are still in the brackets, the grouping symbol, because we haven't simplified the brackets all the way down to its most simple form. We bring down what we haven't used, 40 divided by the difference of 9 and 1 is what this says now. Now, Katie, what part do we do next? Good. We're still working in the brackets, which is our grouping symbol. So, Katie, what is the difference between 9 and 1? 8. Now, we've simplified inside the brackets all the way down to its most simple form, so we don't need to keep the brackets. We have not used our 40 divided by yet. So now we want to find the quotient. Notice the vocabulary I'm using. we want to find the quotient of 40 and 8. The quotient of 40 and 8. Katie, 40 divided by 8 is? Shh. Katie will tell me it's 5 by herself. Katie, what's the quotient of 40 and 8? She said 5. Good. So, this simplified down, that expression simplified all the way down, simplifies down to 5.
What if we put 40 divided by 8 equals 5 and not just 5?
That's fine.
That's what I just saw.
All right, the next one I said I would do is problem number 8,
That one is
which is 6 times 9. Subtract 7 times 4, and all that's in brackets. Subtract 17. So that is our expression. Why is it not an equation instead of an expression? Anna?
Because there's no equal sign.
There is no equal sign. Most excellent. Matt Lau, would you please tell me where we start? Inside the brackets, the biggest grouping symbol. Inside the brackets, we have 2 sets of parentheses. We work them from left to right. So Matt Lau, what is the product of 6 and 9? 54. Matt Lau. Anybody belong to anybody?
Is that Matthew?
Well, go get it, Matt. She's not a mailman.
It's Matt Lowe.
Matt, what is the product of 7 and 4?
28.
28. We use the subtraction sign. We're still inside the brackets because we've not simplified that all the way down to as low as it can go. Now, Matt, we're still inside our brackets because we do the big grouping symbols first. So, Matt, 54 subtract 28 is what? Here, let's over here. 54 subtract 28 for 14 subtract 8.
8.
Good. 6. 4 minus 2 is 2. So this simplifies down to 26. We bring down the 17. We don't need to bring down the brackets because we're done with that already. So Matt, 26 subtract 17 is what?
9.
9. I don't know. I'm just trusting them.
It's 7. Wait, no, it's 9.
I am calling all of your 3rd grade teachers and yelling at them because you can't subtract. Boom! Shakalaka! Peace out! Love y'all!